Welcome back, MedSpeak fam. I am so excited and maybe just a little terrified about today's topic, heart murmurs. Seriously, Eden, I stood there with my stethoscope, just frozen. Like, is that a whoosh, a thump? Is it bad? Is it good? How do you even tell?
Avery, you're not alone. It's a common challenge. But don't worry, we're going to simplify it. Today, we're focusing on a high-yield mnemonic that helps you remember 4 crucial murmurs. It's called MASS: mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, Still's murmur, and septal defect.
Mass. Okay, I like it already. So we're talking about specific sounds, locations, clues? Where do we even begin? Mitral regurgitation. Sounds dramatic. What am I listening for there?
Mitral regurgitation, or MR, is quite distinct. You'll typically hear a pansystolic blowing murmur, best at the apex of the heart, with the patient in a left lateral position. The key mnemonic for this one is MR for murmur radiates. It classically radiates all the way to the axilla. It's a consistent blowing sound throughout systole.
Wow, radiating to the axilla. That's a huge clue. So if MR is blowing and radiating, what about aortic stenosis? Is that a totally different kind of sound? Because stenosis just sounds harsh to me. Am I close?
You're very close, Every. Aortic stenosis, or AS, is indeed often described as harsh. It's an ejection systolic murmur heard best at the right second intercostal space. Think of aged, stiff valves. It has a crescendo-decrescendo quality, meaning it gets louder, then softer, and it radiates up to the carotid arteries in the neck. You might also feel a slow rising pulse.
Slow rising pulse radiating to the carotids. Got it. Okay, so we've got the harsh, the blowing, but then there's Still's murmur. That sounds, well, innocent. Is it really? Like just a harmless little background hum?
Yes, Still's murmur is quite literally an innocent murmur, commonly found in healthy children. It's a soft musical or vibratory systolic murmur, typically heard at the left lower sternal border. It's key that it has no radiation and no associated symptoms. It often just disappears when the child stands up or has a fever, and usually just requires reassurance.